Imagine just typing a simple prompt into Claude AI and it starts creating a full 3D product or scene inside Blender. Well, today we are actually gonna test it. And in this video, I will show you how to connect Claude AI directly to Blender using MCP. So you can control your 3D scene using plain English. So let's go. So remember one thing, you need to firstly install like Claude desktop app and Blender if it is not installed and MCP server. So firstly, let's go to the browser and download Claude desktop app. Just simply type Claude desktop app. And here you could see the official website. Just click on this. So as you could see here, it present in Mac OS for Windows and for Windows ARM64. So download it according to your device. I have Mac OS, so I will just simply click on it and then allow, and it will be download. So my Claude desktop app has downloaded and I also logged in there. You could also do simply. Now the second thing you need to download is Blender. Just type Blender. If it is not installed in your device, just click on it. And remember this thing that you need to download Blender 5.5 because this connector works only with its latest version. So just click on it and it will be downloaded in your device. So it is downloaded. You could see here. So just open your Blender. It will be shown like this. And also open your Claude 2. Remember one thing, you need to open both these things when you are performing any task using Claude. And now one more thing you need to do, like you have to install MCP server of Blender. So again, go to your browser and just type MCP server Blender and click on this link. And just minimize your screen. As you could see, you could download from here and also drag and drop. So we are going to like drag and drop into Blender, and here you could also see like you will need to do it twice. So we will do it twice. Okay, here is our Blender and here is our MCP server screen. So just drag and drop. Just click on allow online access. Click on add respiratory and just create, and again drag and drop for Python script. And here just click on install extension. It is done. So you need to start MCP server. For that you have to go to the edit. You could see the option on top left. Then just go to preferences and in advanced just search. Like here you could also see MCP, and if you not, then search MCP and just click on this. And as you could see, my server is already like started, and if it is like if there is written like started MCP server, then just simply click on it and your server will be start. Okay, now just open your Claude, and here there is one setting you need to do, like just click on customize as you could see in left panel, and here just click on connect your apps and search Blender. Just click on this plus icon and here install. From here you could enable or disable it. And one more setting you need to do, you need to click on configure, and here it is asking like need approval and always allow and block. So here are some tools that are already connected, so just click on always allow, so it will work very smoothly and it will not ask for approval. So I'm just doing this here too, like execute Python code and execute command line. I will always allow while I will do the work, so I will not like waste my time to approve it again and again. So now your Claude is connected with your Blender. Remember one thing, when you will use Claude to create any like project or something else, you need to open both the software like Blender and Claude. Now just give command replace cube from Blender with a ring. So as you could see here, there was a cube before, but now it is replaced with a ring. It is really so simple to do this. And remember one thing, it is not for replacing 3D artists, of course. It is like assistant for them so they can fast your workflow while they are working with complex things. So yeah, so I'm going to create a hat in Blender. That's why I'm pasting a prompt in Claude AI. And it simply says like create a simple 3D hat model in Blender, and the hat should have a smooth rounded crown and a slightly curved brim and etc. I mean, you can take GPT's help in writing a perfect prompt. It's very simple. And okay, so it just created our hat and it looks fine. So Blender showing its solid view. To see the material, colors or texture on hat, you need to go to top right. Here they are like four circle, and just hover on this and click the one which is showing material preview. Now you can see its real look and it looks very simple. So we have to give another prompt to Claude to customize the hat accordingly because it's very simple look, like there is no any color, no texture, not any styling. So I just pasted a prompt and it's done. I gave a prompt to add some colors and make its texture like crochet, and this is exactly how I wanted. A proper crochet hat with aesthetic vibe and its inner structure also very close to real one. So you can also create anything that you want by giving a proper prompt. So now I want to give another try. So I just thought to create a dollhouse in Blender. So let's see. So this is the result that gave by Claude, and this is like a solid structure. And there are some gaps you could see, and I think I need to resolve this. So I gave again a prompt to Claude, and this is its another response. Still not that much perfect. So I'm going to give it another prompt. And this time I think this is very pretty good, very nice. It is really kind of what I wanted, and the shadow and the texture, all things are very perfect. By clicking H, you could literally hide anything. Like I just hide the wall and you could see all the materials or furniture inside the house. So it looks amazing. It's good. So now let me try another things like a product. Let's see. So now I'm going to create a laptop. So I just gave a prompt to a Claude, and the first version was not that good. So I just gave another prompt, and now this is really very amazing. I mean, the silver coating on it and the look, it really looks premium, like from outside. I know there are more things that could be improved, but for now it's totally fine. I also add one more prompt to add a text follow me. So if you want to follow me, it's a kind of reminder. So you could subscribe my channel. So I want to see like how it will work with multiple objects when present there. Like for a 3D artist, it could be very tiring to work with lots of stuff and with complex things. But yeah, I want to try this for a once. And of course, I'm not a 3D artist, but I really want to try this. So I want to give it prompt, so where it could work with multiple objects to see how capable it is. And one more thing, my laptop is not that much capable to handle complex things. So I'm going to do some basic stuff. Okay. So I just gave it like a prompt and sent to it like to create 100 objects, like 50 I want ring and 50 I want a sphere, and place like in a circle around the cube. And of course with perfect camera angles and lightning. So let's see how it will create for us. Okay, so it did. But the thing is, they are very tight. Like we can't differentiate between a ring and a sphere, but it's kind of good. I think so. So it is giving us like blender part where we could see the result, but it is in image view, and we want, of course, the 3D view. We will do it later. Okay, so it is ready. As we could see, camera angle also perfect. Like yeah, it's good. But the thing is, there should be this distance. Like I wanted like a sphere, then a ring, then a sphere. But it attached all the things, and now I'm not going to change it because I liked it so much. Like it's like a perfect accident that happened just now. Yeah, it is pretty well. It's good. So of course we want to see its real version like with colors. So here you could see on top right there is material view. Just click on it. I actually set it to like I want a disco version. That's why it created it like this. And it's like, wow, pretty well. It's amazing. So I'm going to give some more commands to it. So I'll just make it more complex. So let's see how it will perform now. I'm doubting my prompt. I could give it in more good way. And I could see here the prompt was not that good. That's why. Let's see. Oh my God. So this is what we have created. As you could see, there are so much. This is pretty good, pretty well. But I think camera angles could be more better so we could see each things here. But it is of course pretty good and pretty well. So it just did its job in very good manner. And now I'm going to arrange all of these, just hoping that my points or like plot points will not finish before I do it. So arrange this circle like a building. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just enjoying to do all this stuff. And I'm just trying what it could do now, like how it could make it more amazing. Okay, I think it is done now. Let me click on material preview. So I told it to place them closer to each other, like each ring. It's like a so amazing. Oh my god. This is pretty wow. So the thing is, my cloth credit has finished. So I want to add more cameras like up on the upper side, but I couldn't. But it's fine. The result is here. If we want to check if it could work better with multiple objects, and it is of course doing. As we could see, 5,100 objects. So we have started only with one cube, and then we have created like a sphere and ring, and placed it like in a circle around that cube. And then we told it to create like a 50 random. Like this is also a ring, so 50 rings too, and placed randomly, and it did that too. And then we told it to look like a building, like place them upon each other like that, and it did that too. And I think to show you like a trial, like what it could do, I think it's enough. And let me create another things with it. I have more like a email ID, so I will log in on my another Google account and will link it to Cloud and will create more things now. So there are some more objects that I have created. I'm sharing with you, like this ball and this one. And I was trying to create a swimming pool, but it just stuck in between because of limited credits. So these are some things that I have tried on Blender. And if there is any Blender artist then who is like watching my video, then they exactly know what Blender vocabulary to include in a prompt, so it will give a perfect result. So try the connector, form your own opinion, and let me know in the comments. Does AI in Blender excite you or terrify you or both? So if this video helped you understand what actually dropped this week, drop a like and it generally helps the channel, and subscribe if you want to be the person who always knows about this stuff before everyone else. See you in the next one.